Which is better, Vimeo or Bunny.net? Now, it depends on what your definition of better is. If you're someone of a content creator and you need something more user-friendly and something easier to use, then it'll be Vimeo. But if you're something of a developer and you need something more developer-friendly and something more advanced, then go with Bunny.net. But of course, there are pros and cons to both of these websites. For Vimeo, when it comes to the user-friendliness and the premium features, comes with more cost. If I scroll down here, you can see the cost is like this, right? Now it's around $25 and $65 and $12 for the cheapest one, which is for starter. But for the starter one, you'll get only one seat, and there's only 100 gigabytes storage, creation and editing, custom video player and URLs, and review and collaboration tool. I'm pretty sure most people buying the standard one, but of course $25 per month is not cheap. It's something of a big money, right? But for Bunny.net, it's much more simple and it's much more cheap. Although the pricing method is much more complicated. If we go to pricing here, you can see it's just a lot of random bunch of numbers, right? But this is cheap. Now you can see from the volume network from the first 500 terabyte, it's just 1/5 of a cent per gigabyte, which is very little, right? But this is considering if you have a lot of users coming in and pouring into your network, then it'll definitely add up. But of course, per gigabyte is 1/5 of a cent. That's pretty good. It's pretty cheap. So again, it depends on what you want. Are you a developer? If you are, go with Bunny.net. If you want something more user-friendly, go with Vimeo.